In this video, I am about to show you all Marvel Rivals codes in Season 1. NetEase released the code for the Iron Man Model 42 skin, set to expire in March 2025. The skin comes with a backstory about Tony Stark creating the suit to test new developments and improve his inventions. The skin is powered by Repulsor Tech cores and designed for battle. PlayStation players currently have some of the best deals. All PlayStation users can claim the Starlit Spider-Man skin for free, while PS Plus subscribers get access to the Season 0 bundle. This bundle includes the Penny Parker Ven #M costume, an MVP animation, a spray, a nameplate, and 300 Kono tokens. Twitch drops are another way to unlock exclusive rewards. By watching participating content creators, players can earn the Hello Will of Galacta skin as part of the current campaign. For those advancing in the free battle pass, Chrono tokens can be used to unlock more skins. The Penny Parker Blue Tarantula and Scarlet Witch Emporium Matron skins are available for 400 Kono tokens each. These tokens can be earned by completing missions for free or purchased using Lattice. Stay updated with new codes and events by following NetEase announcements and Twitch campaigns to maximize your freebies during Season 1. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.